Welcome back to Small Town Southern Wife. This morning I'm making me a lunch to take back to school, and I thought I'd share it with y'all. It's a low carb lunch. I'm trying to get back to eating healthy for the new year. After all those holidays and all that fat back we had, we better get back to trying to eat more healthier. So I thought I'd show y'all this healthy lunchbox idea that I've got, and I'm going to start sharing these ideas as you know, once or twice a week for these healthy lunch ideas. So let me show y'all what we're going to use to make this. Okay, y'all, here we go. Right here I'm going to use a low carb wrap with some whipped cream cheese. When I think of a healthy lunch, I try to incorporate as many of the food groups as I can. Right here, my wrap has a few carbs. I've got my whipped cream cheese. And then I'm going to add me some roast beef for some protein. It's the thin slice that you get at Walmart. And I'm going to add some pepper jack cheese next with just one slice, and I'm going to cut it in half. So I have a little cheese on both ends. I'm going to add a little bit of greens for some vegetables. Going to add a little salt and pepper to it to season it up some. And then I have a little piece of a purple onion. I'm going to give just a little bit on each end. Now let's wrap it up. Sometimes this can be a little tricky, but get it all stuffed in there. And then I'm going to cut it up in little bite-sized pieces. That makes it a lot easier to pick up than trying to hold the whole wrap. And it makes it fit in the container easier. I need a sharper knife. Now let's try to get it in the container. This one's too little. On the end, sometimes it's real thin and you don't have much in it, but it still has a little bit, so you don't want to throw it out. Right here I have my avocado for my good fats. And then we're going to put a cucumber in for your side of vegetables. And then we have a few strawberries. That can be for my fruit. But when I make these, I try to think of having my fruit, my vegetable, my protein, and a tiny bit of carbs. But there we go. Hope y'all enjoy it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay, y'all, there's our lunchbox idea. And I'm going to start making these once or twice a week. And if you like this idea and these videos, give me a thumbs up and I'll keep sharing these lunchbox ideas. You could take them to work, back to school, for your kids if they're going on some kind of trip. Makes it a good thing. They don't have to be reheated. And So it's just fast and easy and delicious. So if you like these, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.